Hello, beautiful people. So, today I just wanted to go out and give you a little tour of my neighborhood's community garden. So, as you can see, we have a lot of stuff growing. So, I'm not sure how to identify plants, but I do have an app that helps you identify them by taking a picture, and it shows you all the facts about the plants and even how to grow them and treat diseases if they have any. So I will leave a walkthrough at the end of this app. But yes, in this little bed, I actually help prepare the soil. I put some eggshells and some eggs in the soil so it could nourish the plants. And somebody planted some lettuces here. And we even have some plants growing. Somebody planted a sunflower. And I'm not sure what these are. But over here to my right, we do have more flower beds. So these are kidney beans. They're a good source of folic acid, iron, copper, and potassium. And we even have a pear tree that's already given its fruit. So here we have a little pear. I'll show you how the tree looks like. We even have a bird's nest up here. And there's still fruit on the tree that's still growing. And I even like to play around with my neighbors. So as you can see in this bed, there's a little butterfly decoration. So I bought this at the 99-cent store. It can be used to water the plants. But luckily, all our flower beds already have watering features, so we don't have to worry about watering them every single day. We just have to plant them and then let nature do its thing. So we have another flower bed here. I think this is taro. So taro is actually considered one of the most ancient crops in history. And this is a herb called mugwort. So it helps improve sleep, supports liver health, relieves muscle aches, and repels insects. And I actually have had some of this in tea and it's very good. So I recommend you planting it if you need help with any of those. I'm not sure what these are. So right here in this other flower bed, we have some summer squash growing. So that's the only plant I see that actually has fruits other than the pear tree. And then we have some vines over here. I'm not sure what plants they are either, but they look very nice and healthy. And then we got more vines over here. So if you don't have one of these in your neighborhood, I recommend talking to the homeowners association and see if they can start one for your neighborhood, because as you can see, it doesn't take much space and much money, and I'm sure a lot of people would love to have one of these in their neighborhood. So there you go, and I'll explain the app I use right now. This is the app that I use to identify all the plants. It's called PictureThis. So it's a paid app, but you can use it for free. It just doesn't have much benefits if you use the free version. But yeah, these are all the pictures I've took of the plants in my neighborhood. And this is how I found out what they were. So this is the garden lettuce I told you about. So it teaches you all about the plants when they grow, how hard it is to take care of them, and even offers you support if they have any diseases or things you need to know about them. And this is just more information about the plant. It gives you pictures. It shows where they grow. And then at the end, it even gives you some interesting facts, some symbolism of them, and then even some poems. And you can even share the plants you're growing with your friends if you're into gardening. And it gives you your picture with a description of what you just took. So I really recommend this app if you're into gardening or if you want to grow your own food. And remember that it's better to grow your own food and to cook your own food, because you never know what restaurants are putting into your food. never know how many pesticides or chemicals farmers are putting into your food. So it's important to know where your food is coming from so you can have full control of your health. So hope this helps and hope you're able to get this app if you're interested in it.